Hi everybody, Josiah here, also known as Chilling Silence, and I'm thrilled to let you know that Mazer Gaming is teaming up with DigiByte to bring you the latest and the greatest ways for their players, their teams, to interact with all of their fans. We're talking everything from merchandise through to collectibles, and any number of ways that you can use both DigiByte as well as DigiAssets. So for those of you who might not be too familiar, Mazer Gaming are a fantastic esports group. So for example, they have a great Gears of War team. They've actually just qualified recently in PGL esports, fantastic to see. And they're also the sponsor for Nakat, who's arguably one of the best Super Smash Bros. Ultimate players in the world right now. Legendary for his Pichu especially, and so this is really cool. This is great to see that there are ways that we are able to work with Mazer Gaming and to bring the fans a whole lot more ways to interact with the players, a whole lot of ways for them to bring value around both DigiAssets, DigiByte, and hopefully a lot more reasons for basically fans to want to engage. Everything from collectibles through to clothing. Super excited about this. Thrilled to let everybody in the community know that this is something that's being worked on at the moment. Still fleshing out all of the specifics and things and the best ways that we can help Mazer Gaming to basically not only benefit from DigiByte but to be able to utilize DigiByte. So yeah, really excited about this. Big shout out to the Mazer Gaming team. Thank you very much for reaching out to us as well. If you do have any questions, feel free to sing out in the comments section below. I'll do what I can to answer that for you. Otherwise, you can tweet me on Twitter. I'm at DGB_chilling. Feel free to like, subscribe, and otherwise, I'll talk to you in the next video, and I'll see you tomorrow. Cheers.